How to enable or disable power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, you will see power saving is here. If you want to enable power saving, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see power saving is enabled. If you want to disable power saving, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see power saving is disabled. You will enable or disable power saving from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.